I am Dr. Varun Bhargav, Senior Consultant, Neurosurgeon, Sector 27, Noida. I have this patient, Mr. Bhushan Lal, who is 77-year-old, retired from IIT Delhi, and he came to me with a large brain tumor, which was very much deep-seated. So we decided to take him out, and at this age, he is writing books and doing other things. So we took the option of taking neuronavigation so that we do minimal damage. The patient was suffering from heart diseases, diabetes disease, so our learned consultant physician, Dr. Narendra Gupta, came and he settled his things so that we can take him to surgery. Our cardiologist team also came. We did the stress echo and everything so that we can make him fit for the surgery. Now this is only 12 hours after surgery with the navigation, where incision is just 2 centimeter. We know where we are going. We are touching only the tumor, and patient is perfect now. Patient has fully conscious, eating, drinking, no problem, and tumor is out. So for this type of techniques which are developed in last 2 decades, if we do brain tumor surgery, they are very safe. Patient is fully comfortable. He never know even that his surgery has been completed, and the next day they can do their daily activities without any interference.
I am Dr. Bhushan Lal. I have done PhD in Biosciences, Applied Psychology from IIT Delhi under Dr. Professor Purnima Mathur. For a long time I had some problem with the head, and I wanted to consult somebody who could help me out. It was by sheer chance that I was referred to him, to Dr. Bhargav. And when I met Dr. Bhargav, the first thing that everybody must remember is that you have to have faith in your doctor. You must like your doctor. If you will get soon, you have faith in doctor and the infrastructure you are going in. That was first consolation to me when I met Professor Bhardwaj, and his few words made me feel that he is not only a doctor, but he is a good human being, a great human being, a great doctor also. I never knew I was going for biopsy. It was only later I came to know through my daughter that I went for biopsy, and they found that there are some tissues in my brain which could be cancerous tomorrow, but with the grace of God and the expertise of Dr. Bhargav, we could get first control on that. It is something that must be brought known to everybody in the world, that in case of such an emergency, what to do, whom to contact. Dr. Bhargava will be of help to anybody from any place in the world. He is a great human being. He is a great human being. I thank Dr. Bhargav, Dr. Gupta, and everybody in the Kailash Hospital for the kind of support I got from them. Name any equipment there is in the world, it is here with them. Name any expertise with the people, that's here with them.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.